Hey, I'm Lucy. This is my first ever YouTube video, so I'm a little nervous, hence the weird whispering voice. I don't know what kind of content I'm going to be posting on here. Sorry, my dog is barking. But I thought it'd be fun to start with a little hair tutorial because I just like messing with my hair. It's really faded right now, but I've been doing this sort of peachy pink ombre look, so I'll show you how I do it. First, you just need a bowl and a spoon or something to mix it with. I also have this Arctic Box diluter. It sort of just helps the color look more pastel-y and not so bright. Also, you could just use conditioner because sometimes I do that. I also have this Electric Paradise, which is just a peachy sort of pink color. And then to make it even more peachy, I have this orange color. So I mix the two kind of 50-50 and then a little bit of the diluter, and that's about it. It's not too complicated. So, let me get started. I've tried a lot of different brands, and honestly, Arctic Box is probably my favorite because it doesn't fade as fast as other colors, and it also doesn't stain everything. Like, it doesn't stain your skin and your whole bathroom like some other brands do. No shade, but they do. Alright, so I'm just putting about that much of the diluter. Alright, so now I've got everything in my bowl. It doesn't look like very much, but since I'm only doing the ends of my hair, a little really goes a long way. And I can always add more if I feel like I'm running out. Okay, now I'm just gonna stir it all up. And now I'm just gonna put some music on or a podcast and get to work. And then I'll leave it on for, you can really leave it on for as long as you want because it's like a conditioning sort of treatment. But I'm probably gonna leave it on for an hour and I'll keep you guys posted.
Tinder is gambling because you don't know when you're gonna get
intermittent reward.
Yeah, intermittent reward. Yeah, it's built like that to be addictive.
Yeah, but it also there is also this diminishment of the excitement about it.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still at that point it's you're addicted. It's not about this is exciting. It's just I feel like I can't stop.
So I never actually recorded an outro, but I do have some pictures. This was basically right after I dyed it, so it was a really vibrant peachy pink and I loved it. And this was taken after a few washes. I still really liked the color. It just faded to a nice light pink. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this color for a while, or maybe I'll do teal. I don't know. And this was when it was about 80% faded. Still pretty cute, I think. And one more thing, I probably have approximately 0 subscribers, so if you want to subscribe to me, that would be awesome. I'm thinking for my next video, I'm probably going to talk about some dating fails, because I feel like not enough people talk about that, and I've got some good ones. So let me know, okay? Bye!